Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abate. 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 Abate is a verb that means to become less intense, to decrease in strength or degree, or to subside. It is often used to describe the reduction or diminishing of something, such as a feeling, a condition, or an action. Examples: 1. The storm began to abate, and the rain finally stopped. In this sentence, abate is used to indicate that the intensity of the storm decreased, and the rain came to an end. 2. His anger didn't abate even after I apologized. Here, abate suggests that his anger did not decrease or become less intense despite the apology. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.